Bell peppers, they're really sweet. Bell peppers, they're nice to eat. Bell peppers, do 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 do. Bell peppers.
How about today we make us some stuffed bell peppers? We only have 3, but they're different colors.
They come in red, yellow, and green.
I wish I had a green one, but these are nice and flavorful. Alright, let's cut the heads off these. And then we clear out the inside the best we can. And this isn't flat on the bottom, so we're going to have to make it flat here so it'll sit up in the pan. Now how to do that? To sit up straight. We're going to cut off these extra pieces because these are good and why waste them? You need a pound of hamburger fried up and then drain the grease. Oops, we need a cup of chopped onion. Alright, there's a clove of garlic. Alright, these were cut off from the lids and I'm going to chop these up and put them in there. Now it's okay if the peppers aren't soft, just get the onions soft, but this is going to be stuffed into a bell pepper and baked. Add a teaspoon of oregano leaves, half a teaspoon of salt, and a cup of already cooked rice, 1/4 of a teaspoon of pepper. Alright, we're ready to stuff the peppers. Bottom of a small baking dish, just pour in some pasta sauce just to cover the bottom. Fill your peppers with the stuffing. Whoa! You actually have enough to do 4, but I don't have 4 peppers, I only have 3.
Bell peppers, kind of like a traffic light.
Just try to keep them from falling down. Boop. Add pasta sauce on top of the rice mixture. A little more each. Okay, we're not going to put the cheese on top yet because we're going to do that in the last 5 minutes. So you can cover this with tin foil, or I'm just going to put this lid on. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees for about 40 minutes. Pull it out of the oven and sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on top, and then bake it for another 5 minutes. The cheese will be ooey gooey and the peppers will be soft. Some people use tomato sauce on top, but I like the pasta sauce, and you can use any kind of pasta, canned pasta that you like, even the cheap kind. Anyway, thanks for watching.
Bell peppers, bell peppers.